Attorneys are preparing for sentencing of Aiden Fucci now that the 16-year-old has pleaded guilty to first-degree murder for killing his schoolmate almost 2 years ago. Fucci's plea came just minutes before jury selection was to begin for his trial. He faces a maximum of life in prison with a mandatory review after 25 years because he is a minor. No date has been set yet for his sentencing. The victim, 13-year-old Tristan Bailey, was found stabbed to death on Mother's Day 2021. When pleading guilty, Fucci apologized to the Bailey family and to his own family. We spoke with a legal expert on what to expect at Fucci's sentencing. You can watch that interview on the homepage of News4Jax.com. Now the News4Jax I-team is digging into disclosures about Fucci's mental health. During yesterday's hearing, the teen revealed to the court medications that he's on. Today, Tarek Binder spoke with a local lawyer about how Fucci's mental health may come up during that sentencing and even during his 25-year review. Tarek?
This is very important. The Circuit Court Judge Lee Smith wanted to be sure that Aiden Fucci fully understand the guilty plea he was entering yesterday. And he asked the 16-year-old if he was under the influence of drugs, alcohol, or medication. Fucci told the court he is taking 3 prescription drugs. So we wanted to find out what illnesses or symptoms those drugs are typically used to treat.
Your Honor, on behalf of Aiden Fucci, we enter a change of plea at this time, entering a guilty plea as charged.
Just moments after Aiden Fucci entered his plea to the first-degree premeditated murder charge, Judge Smith follows up, wanting to make sure the 16-year-old understands his decision, asking him this revealing question in open court.
Are you under the influence of any medication, drugs, or alcohol right now?
Yes, sir, my medication, but...
What type of medication are you taking?
Remeron, lithium, and Zyprexa.
Is that medication prescribed by a physician?
Yes, sir.
According to the Cleveland Clinic, Zyprexa is a common name brand of a medication named olanzapine, which is commonly used to treat schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. The drug helps to regulate mood, behaviors, and thoughts. The medication lithium also treats bipolar disorder, and Remeron is used mainly to treat a major depressive disorder, but is occasionally prescribed to treat other mental health issues like generalized anxiety disorder and social anxiety. A lawyer not associated with this case says Fucci's mental health will likely be his defense team's focus during his sentencing hearing, and even when his case is reviewed in 25 years.
Almost all crimes we see here nowadays, especially these types of violent crimes, certainly mental health is a component. And I know Judge Smith will want to drill down on the why we got here. He's a thoughtful judge. And I'm sure he's going to want to understand that.
Defense attorney Randy Reep says Fucci's upbringing and family structure will also be a factor in his defense. But Reep says following Fucci's guilty plea, he anticipates the judge will follow the sentencing guidelines and not offer Fucci any leniency.
I don't think currently the judge will have much flexibility at all. There'd have to be extraordinary findings that I do not see present in this case. And I just don't think it's likely at all. And frankly, impossible. For that to happen.
Now, the date for Fucci's sentencing hearing hasn't been set yet, but a status hearing is scheduled at the end of February. Fucci's not eligible for the death penalty and now faces at least 40 years behind bars. Mary?